Hello, this is Trail Rider 570. Today I had to pick up my Ranger. It was sitting at Babbits. I'm going to be loading it up here in a few minutes. Right there's Babbits. So I'll be loading it up here in a few minutes and we'll get going. We'll go try it out and see how it works out. So hang tight and let's get going. And just like that, it's loaded. I just got to tie it down and we'll get on our way here in a few minutes. And I'd like to give a big shout out to Babbits up here. They got me looked at quicker than anybody else would. So if you're in the area, check out Babbits in Muskegon here, and we're going to get going here.